Hello, so in this video I'll show you how to bend text in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is go create a new design, and I just want to open a YouTube thumbnail design, and then you want to go add your text. I just want to add a heading, and I just want it to be like how to bend text in Canva, and then I want to mark this text box off, and then I can click on effects, and then this section will pop up to the left, and then you can click on the shape should be curved, and now you can see the text has been curved, and then you can modify if you want it to curve the other way, or you just how much it should be curved. So I just want it like to be like this, and then you can drag it wherever you like. But yeah, that's how to bend text in Canva.